welcome to my channel Ilya's World. Today my project is home security system. Let's start the video. I have connected A12 to positive, J12 to negative. The buzzer longest pin goes to A30, shortest pin goes to A27, and E30 goes to I8, and E27 goes to negative. Sensor VCC goes to positive, GND goes to negative, output goes to I11. These A and E pins are internally connected to each other. This is the coding I have used when Arduino begin forever. If the nulls hand detect pin, buzzer pin, set digital pin. Hand detected pin number is 2, buzzer pin number is 5, and volume is 100. Now I am going to upload. My upload is success. Come, let's see the buzzer now. When I show my hand, the buzzer starts the sound. If I take off my hand, it stops. Likewise, if we set up this alarm in our lockers, if someone's come near it, it starts alarming us by the sound. That's all, friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adyan from Wiingy Robotics.
Oh.